What's going on? I'm going to be testing 5 more games on the GPD Win Max. If there's another game you want me to check out, let me know in the comments, and you can check out my previous videos on it. Now let's get into the test. First up is The Long Dark, which is a survival game set in a winter wasteland. This one ran at a constant 60 FPS with all of the settings turned to low, and I didn't have any problems setting it up or anything. It just kind of worked. So this one's one to check out.
Use this. Next.
Next is the Resident Evil 2 remake, and this one ran at a constant 30 FPS on all low. It does run above 30 if you uncap it, but it doesn't quite reach 60 unless you turn the resolution scale way down. So I figured it would just be better to play it at 30, and it felt fine. It was actually really enjoyable playing it on the Win Max, as long as you turn aim assist on. This is Cuphead, and it ran great. It's at a constant 60, and the controls feel really good for this game, even though it is super hard. They just kind of work. Here is Borderlands 2, and I did manage to get this to run at 60 after a bit. When I first started the game, half of the screen was cut off and I couldn't access any of the settings. Eventually, I figured out that you have to start the game in windowed mode and then drag it to be full screen. Then you can change the resolution to 720, and after that you can change it back to be a native full screen. It also did this weird thing where it wasn't running very well at first, but after like 2 minutes it was at a constant 60. So it works okay if you're willing to work out some problems. Finally, I have NieR Automata, and this one runs mostly fine. It pretty much stayed at 30 FPS for me, but the frame rate was kind of all over the place and it made the controls feel a little weird to me. So this is probably best played on something more powerful, but if you don't have any other way, it should be doable.
Activating short-range attack gear. Alert. Large enemy group detected.
Yes, I'm aware of that.
That was 5 more games tested on the max. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave them in the comments, or you can come talk to me live on Twitch. I'm live every Sunday and Wednesday, link in the description. And if you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Alright, you guys are dead.
Deploying nano smoke. I was made to clutch.
No, I really wasn't, honestly. Oh!
All friendlies
What?
eliminated.
One bullet?
Regroup.
Oh, would have been so sick if I won that. I got a double headshot. Oh.